Thinking about buying home goods from bettyelaine.com after seeing a viral ad? Stop. Before you pay, let's find out whether this store is legit or potentially a risky fake. Here's the real breakdown. bettyelaine.com looks like a clean online home store with big discounts and glossy product photos for furniture and decor, but looks can be deceiving. Many sites like this rely on social media ads to lure you in, not a real reputation built over time. Here are a few neutral or positive surface facts. The site uses HTTPS encryption, which is a standard for checkout security. Some trust checker tools give it a medium risk score, meaning the website isn't blatantly flagged as malware or phishing. That doesn't guarantee you'll get what you order. It just means the domain isn't immediately classified as malicious. But the bigger picture has warning signs. Sites like bettyelaine.com often use paid social ads with urgency tactics like limited stock to push impulse buyers, a common scam pattern. Many buyers on similar scam shops report late deliveries, items that look nothing like the advertised, or cheap substitutes instead of premium goods. Return policies and real customer service are often difficult or opaque, and sellers may offer small partial refunds instead of full returns, a tactic that traps buyers. These are classic red flags in questionable e-commerce sites. So is bettyelaine.com a real home store? Treat it as unverified and potentially fake. The trust score and protocol don't prove fraudulent malware, but the pattern of ads, aggressive discounts, and common scam-style fulfillment issues suggest you should avoid purchasing until there are verified real-world customer reviews and clearer company details. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.